So I have this Honeywell thermostat that whenever I called for the fan, auto fan, nothing would happen. But it would turn on when I called for the furnace. So I know that the blower fan worked. I was upstairs on our Honeywell thermostat trying to just get the fan to turn on in just regular manual mode instead of auto, and could not figure out why the furnace would turn on and the blower would come on for that, but it wouldn't go on for just when you turn it on to auto. And I saw that this ground, if you look on this board here, the only one that wasn't connected was ground, and this one was just sticking here. So I just shoved this into the slot here. See here, show you. Can't. And now if I take it off again, it'll turn off. So I'm gonna turn off the furnace and try to connect this ground more permanently. Okay, so I turned the breaker off so I wouldn't shock myself, but I'm gonna strip this, then I'm gonna attach it to the ground here and then tighten it up, and that should be all good to go then. Once I got that wire put back on, as soon as I turn this on, you can see the registers start blowing. I hope that helps. Watch more of my videos for more repair and tool reviews.